So I'm here early this morning. We'll get some training on this house, do some electrical wiring on this house right here. They're doing some work on it. Little kitty cat running around. But yeah, we'll see what kind of wiring is needed and then see how much we can fix it around. Come here, kitty. Come on, kitty cat. Hey, kitty. Not bothering you, kitty. Just looking at the house. See what wiring we gotta do. Yeah, you just gotta get out there and get on the grind sometime, you know? Early in the morning, before day. Alright, thank you for tuning in. So today's task is to wire this house, do some electrical wiring. They put on a brand new roof on it. You can see it up there. And they're still doing some work on the structure itself. But what we're gonna do is do some electrical wiring on the building. See, they got the meter box, and so we're gonna go ahead. See, the meter box is installed right there, and they have the wires that goes out to the utility service, and then from there we just gotta go on the interior and do some wiring. Just waiting on the contractor to show up and give us access to the building so we can start doing the work. Nice little project to practice on, definitely. See the sun rise in the distance this morning. Not a beautiful sunrise. I think those guys are maybe the contractors right there too, coming with a vehicle. But yeah, here the sunrise and waiting, do some work. Odd work, it's odd work.